In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Google Pay and Wallet. By the end, you'll have a secure payment method ready to use across Google services and in your wallet, all from your web browser. Start by opening your preferred web browser on your computer. Make sure you have a reliable internet connection and that your browser is up to date for the smoothest experience. In the address bar, type pay.google.com and press enter. This takes you to Google's official payment site. It's a good habit to check for the lock icon in the address bar to confirm you're on a secure page. When the page loads, sign in with your existing Google account. If you don't have one yet, you'll see an option to create an account. Follow the on-screen prompts to set it up. Use accurate personal details here since this information helps verify your identity with your bank and ensures your payment methods work correctly. Once you're signed in, look for the payment methods area. You'll typically see a tab or section labeled payment methods on the left or near the top. Click into that section to manage how you pay on Google. From there, choose Add Payment Method. You may see options to add a credit card, debit card, or link a bank account, depending on your region and what your bank supports. Pick the option that suits you best. Carefully enter your card or bank details exactly as they appear with your financial institution. Take a moment to double check the card number, expiration date, and security code, or your bank routing and account information if you're linking a bank. Accuracy here prevents declines and saves you from having to re-enter anything later. If the form includes a name field, use the name that appears on your card or account. Next, complete any authentication steps your bank requires. This can include a one-time passcode sent by text, a prompt in your banking app, or a temporary authorization charge to verify the card. Keep the browser window open while you complete these steps and follow the instructions carefully. These checks protect your account and help confirm that you're the authorized cardholder. You may also be asked for your billing address. Enter the address associated with your card or bank account, including the correct postal code. Matching this information to your bank's records helps prevent payment errors. After you submit everything, you should see your new payment method listed in the payment methods section. That's it. Your setup is complete and your payment method is now ready for use with Google Pay and Wallet. If something doesn't go through, review your details or check with your bank to make sure online and contactless payments are enabled.